Hi there, I hope you're doing great. This side Shravan, and here is how you can install and run VCD Cleaner Pro. So the plugin simply cleans the website from VCD malware, which is associated with null themes or free themes, or maybe an exploit on your server. It just simply removes all of them with just simple one click. And here is how you can install the plugin on your WordPress website. So once you are logged into your affected WordPress website, just simply click add new plugin, and once you click this add new plugin, you will get this option called upload plugin. Choose the file which you have downloaded from the purchase, and once you open it and click install now. So once installed, just simply click activate plugin. After the plugin is activated, you will be able to navigate it under your WordPress panel called WP VCD Cleaner Pro with a shield. Let's clear cache as we have installed a new plugin. So that's the plugin, and with the purchase you might be getting this license. Just submit your license and just click this remove WP VCD now option. WP VCD malware has been successfully removed from your server. So now you can simply uninstall this plugin, and if you still face this issue that the website is redirecting users to another spammy website, just simply redo all these procedures again and just try to see that if it's working or not. If it's not working, then you can always ping us on support email. We will be always available. So thank you. I hope this tutorial was useful, and if this tutorial was useful, then don't forget to hit that like button and also do subscribe for future videos. And if anyone is interested in knowing how I was able to create this plugin by using ChatGPT free under 15 minutes, then you can ping me on Instagram. I have a 15-minute tutorial that shares how I was able to code this without knowing any coding. So thank you. Have a great day.